Hi everyone, my name is Addon Cosmos. Today I'll be showing you how you can add your domain to an add-on domain on your cPanel. After watching this video to the end, you'll be able to add your domain to an add-on domain on your cPanel. Before we start, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notification when I post a new video. Let's get started. First, we need to log into our cPanel, which as you can see here I am in my cPanel. Looking at the right hand side, you see my primary domain, which is sarcosmosworld.com. Scroll down to the domain section of your cPanel, and then you see the add-on domain. Click on it. There you enter the new domain name you've bought. I'll be entering a domain name which I bought, site school.xyz. Now the subdomain is website school. Now click on the create an FT account associated with this uh, add-on domain. After clicking on it, all you need to do is to set up your password. Make sure your password strength is very strong, and after that you click on the add-on domain. If you look down, you can see the website school which I've already added in the add-on domain section. So that's how you add your domain to an add-on domain on your cPanel. If you want to know how to find the best domain name for your website, you can click the description button below to know or to watch my video about that. Also, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to get notification when I post a new video. Thank you.